If you've ever wondered about a way to make some money on the side, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Hannah from Printful's marketing team. In this video, I'll talk about how you can generate passive income with your print-on-demand dropshipping clothing line fulfilled by Printful. You'll learn more about what passive income is, what print-on-demand dropshipping is and how it works, pros and cons of this business model, and how you can get started with Printful. Passive income is a stream of earnings that doesn't require a lot of active work to maintain. It's relatively easy to start with print on demand, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like with most extra income streams, you need to put in effort and time in the beginning. But after that, the process can be easily automated and doesn't require as much attention. It's completely free to get started with Printful. No setup costs, minimums, or monthly fees. Once you make an order, we'll charge you for fulfillment and shipping. That makes this income model risk-free. In case you change your mind, you don't lose any money. You might be wondering, what is print-on-demand dropshipping and how it works? To answer that question, we first need to look at what dropshipping is in general. Dropshipping is a business model in which a store doesn't keep an inventory of the products it sells, but purchases them from a third-party supplier who then ships products directly to your end customers. You can sell a variety of ready-made products from different suppliers or your own custom products. With the print-on-demand model, or POD for short, your custom designs are printed only as orders come in. This means you sign up for a print-on-demand service and connect it to your e-commerce store. You can create your store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or a marketplace, for example, Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. You choose the products you want to sell from the catalog of your print-on-demand service, create and upload your designs, set your profit margins, and wait for the orders to roll in. Your print-on-demand service takes care of printing, packaging, and shipping the products to your customers. This way, you can start your brand online without having to buy large quantities of products or investing in production equipment and staff. You don't have to pay for your products up front, stock them yourself, or manage the shipping. You can run your business from the comfort of your home. Working with print on demand can be a great way for you to start a side hustle or go all in and work on building a brand and running it full time. Let's weigh out the pros and cons this business model has to offer. You don't need to print anything in bulk. In print on demand, the emphasis is on the on-demand part. The product will only be fulfilled once it's ordered. Printful takes care of the technical side of your business by fulfilling and shipping out your orders. That way, you can spend more time creating your designs and marketing your store. You can easily add new designs and products to your store and test if your customers love them or not. Since products are printed on demand, you're not making a huge investment in something that might not sell in the end. If a design or a product isn't as popular as you might like, you can easily remove it from your store. But like with anything, there are also some cons to the print-on-demand model. Just like with any dropshipping service, POD means that you don't see each product yourself, so you have to trust the fulfillment partner to do their job properly. This is why it's important to test your products before you start selling, to see how they look. With Printful, it's quite easy to do that. You have the option to order product samples that come at a discount. You depend on print on demand for products and their availability. POD companies work with different suppliers to source products or product materials. This means there are a lot of moving parts, and sometimes products may go out of stock or become unavailable. Since every product is printed on demand, it takes longer to fulfill orders than it would if you already had available stock. Our average order fulfillment time is 3 days, and shipping times go on top of that. As a store owner, you have to manage your customers' expectations. Let them know that each product is printed on demand and that this takes a little bit longer than sending out an already made product. Returns management may require more attention. Since you're working with a third-party service, there's more to consider when it comes to dealing with situations where your customers might want to return a product. So make sure you set up a return policy that goes hand in hand with your POD partner's policy. If a print-on-demand business model sounds like something you might want to try out, let's look at what you need to do to get started. Starting your own online business can seem like a scary task. We have prepared tools and resources to help make this process easy and stress-free. Take a look at our video, How to Create an Online Store and Sell with Printful, where we explain all the steps you need to take to successfully get started with Printful. If you want to make sure you've checked all the boxes, you can do that with our store setup checklist. I wish you the best of luck on your online business adventure. If you have any questions about the process, let me know in the comments below. Hey, I hope you found this video very useful. If you want to see more content about running a print-on-demand store, like this video and hit the subscribe button.